Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka sorkar jala kalabu lepa ke jeng terwa bantai sa Kumba Tylli ke Jaka penyeng kali hanong ba Shillong. Bat ia kani la terwa ban kentup hapo a smart city project. Ia kani layatu dau menteri bapek ya ketenat penroisor oba snio bhalang dhar hak sengi thoding ka kat praterik rampang arah jar phuai. Nakaleng jong ni menteri ulaong ba kato kani Tylli ke project langba ke smart city ke lanang ya chakman. Kum ka jingtai ya ka yau Apollo, bat ka jingtai ya ka yau, hayau Shillong ka bahalaj mukraru kan sa sedang no. Hakawai pat ka liang uniu menteri ulaong, ba ka jinge ka bayadei bat ka jingkap niya kamtam ka deheng kali ka balalong sa bapalat hanong ba Shillong, ansala ban penduna, bat wanra ka jingkeluj, tang anda la kenria ya bun Tylli ki office traikam ka sorkar sa New Shillong Township, hamau diang. Ulaong bak jinge abayadei bat ka dengkali kalanang jur bat kalong ka bae ban penbait namar omdon kalat bandang penhe biang ya kusurok ha kanong ba.
Still now is this polo market is already under construction. The first phase is complete, and now the second phase of the construction works recently allotted. Unlike Okra, we yet to start, and there are few projects left like this. 3-4 parking. So now we are yet to have a meeting with the different department. We asked land for this new parking to be set up. And that is few project also. So that is a component on that. But now it's moving. It's moving.
Kini ki smart road part ni iba.
Yeah, smart road is already tender has been called by the public department. So because only one tender take part, so we have to recall again.
Okay.
Smart road.
How many kilometers is smart road?
Six approximately.
From Bivar Road to?
Mixing all this area. Mix.
Why it is called smart road?
It's for smart city, no? And the component there's a component maybe different from the other road.
In the union budget speech, there was a reference to improve the public transport system, the buses. And ours is how conducted in a review because how many buses needed more buses.
That's why the central budget is maybe they already laid out. So we are yet to see what type of transport system we are yet to see on this. So their budget is different. Maybe our proposal is different.
Right. But now, when you plan to purchase new buses,
no.
Under the central system,
As of no plan.
Because people are using, it's crowded. So
that's why you see a state like us, especially Shillong City, even by taxi, lots of traffic. If you use by bus, I know what will happen. From all this angle, you have to see also. No?
it is there.
Yeah, we may use if we use bus. The one we may go the long route, not
long
the city. So we'll see first what is their budget. How is Hima for the other state?
But the saddest part is the buses and taxis of the government are not maintained
And they don't
properly. Sorry state of affairs.
No, this is more.
These operators, they are not
You see, friends speaking always is government vehicles. It's difficult to maintain properly, even the private vehicles. But anyway, we are trying. So even yesterday, I had a meeting with my officer. So I told him, please check if there is any vehicle lying after the last so many weeks, condemn it, we should leave it like that. So they will give me a report in 1 week's time this time. And the maintenance part is there is some bus run by municipal, some bus run by urban, by Moda, and some bus run from them they hand over to private parties. So we'll see. But government is not so easy to maintain. Not so to maintain, but anyway we are trying how to put into place all this.
Kini ki kali sarkar mah ki siu khajna ka tax.
Everything that. Even the citizen fee they have to pay.
No, because it is ML01, whether they are paying tax to the government.
They pay, but maybe there is different type of tax. Correct. For me, so just 2 months in urban department, and get to see what type of But they have to pay even this thing. So there is such a communication. You have to sit and discuss on state. Does not mean that if they just do this, we have to say yes. You have to see, no, maybe different from state to state.
But it is a central act.
We cannot compare the small state with the biggest state. Yes, if it is central acts, we'll see and communicate accordingly with them. Suppose if it is not feasible in our state, we'll try to discuss and have dialogue with them.
No, since we are talking about traffic jam, so if by doing this, by implementing this tag, green tags, maybe these old vehicles will not come.
You see, it's not so simple to say that this old vehicle have to throw now. You see, you have to base first what is our position as a state. No? Our poor people are so many of them are here. You cannot compare Meghalaya like Delhi and Mumbai. Yeah, it may be their idea is right, not wrong. Just like what you said, traffic condition is a continuous process. And we are working on it continuously, how to ease this condition, how to ease it. That's why Shillong bypass has come. That's why we widen the green road, you know very well. That's why now this Umsherpi down road, this tender has been called yet to start the work only. Like that, slowly. So even we are trying to all this slowly, all this public office shift one by one slowly to the new Shillong area, new township. That is the best solution, I think. But it's a long process. It's not a process we talk today, we do tomorrow.
Green tax does not mean that when this tax is implemented, this green tax is implemented, so all vehicles will be off the road. It's not that.
That's why you told me this green tax. So it has not come to me officially. When it come, I'll see the rules and guidelines. I cannot explain to you. It may be wrong. Let it come to me officially, then I'll be able to examine it. It may be good also. You never know. You never know. It may be good also.
So coming to
Process. This is a continuous process. That's why number one we have swift assembly to Nigrim. That is one of them. So I think this is a long-term process, not immediately. So we are always on the process of thinking on this as a go from the government side. That's why like maybe to widen the road is not too easy within the city. So maybe in future slowly we'll try to move one of another office from here to outskirt like New Shillong area. But that is the plan. That does not mean that we decided.
any restriction to permit
No.
patrolling permit of
No.
vehicles,
That is-
no new vehicles.
No, that is not no problem. We always restrict the giving license to the local taxi. The other to as of today no.
So we must have seen also.
But obviously, especially till 9 o'clock morning and 3 o'clock when school time, maximum of people. No way out. Our city is increasing, everything is increasing, so obviously it has to be.
Many talks that there will be shopping mall here in Barik, so this plan is still there?
That is a PWD land, not my land, so it's up to them.
No, I mean from the Urban Affairs
No,
Department.
that
yes.
is not urban land. That is PWD.
No,
Yeah,
the
people
land.
are seeing, but finally it's up to them. Yeah, some people talk about they doesn't know the land belongs to where. The land belongs to PWD. It's up to them how to decide it.
So if they provide land, so urban will.
Not the government to government is no problem. We can dialogue. If we do urban also no problem. If for PWD work, yeah, publicly. That is not the issue.